¿Dónde está Manu? Let's see. Hi. How you doing? Is that Sky? Okay. So look, we have over here 4 pieces. Friction powered. Utility trucks. Okay. Kids connection. Adjustable moving parts. Okay, so we got that today, and Manu can't wait to unbox it.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's it's a kids connection. Toys are kid approved and built for fun, easy to understand with no complicated instructions. These durable toys keep you and your child and your children happy day after day. Yes, let's open it. Okay, what do you get first? What's that? Wow, that's a blue truck. It's really big. And it's really nice. And it's blue, blue, blue. And this one is red. Let me see. You can pull that thing up and look how tall it gets.
Look, you get all in there.
Yeah, it's really nice. This one is red. It's a red utility truck. I think that is for working with electricity. Yeah, you can get on this one over here and you can fix the electric poles and stuff like that. And which one is next? Let me see. Oh, this one is yellow. And this one is for construction. You put cement inside and you mix the cement, the concrete, and you can make driveways and, you know, all kind of stuff that utility people do with that. And that's yellow. Hi, I'm yellow. Yellow utility truck. Okay. Which one is next? Green. Yeah, I think this is a trash. This is the trash collector. The dump truck. Yeah. And it's yellow. They got the trash and they dumped the trash over here in that inside that hole. And let's see the back. Oh, you open the back and you dump your trash out.
They're mashing together.
Yeah, they're smashing together. Oh my goodness. So we have over here green, blue. Can I see all the colors, Manu? Green and red truck. Is that great? Yeah, which one is your favorite? Which one is your favorite, Manu? Which one is your favorite?
The other one's the red one and the blue one.
Hold on 1 second. Where's the other one? Oh, we have to find the other one. Okay, Manu, so this is green, blue, red, and yellow. You know what color this is in Spanish?
Hey, tell me.
It's verde. Can you say verde?
The boss gets down there.
Verde. And this one in Spanish is amarillo. The color is amarillo.
You open this.
And this over here is rojo. Red in Spanish is rojo. Very easy to learn. And here we have the blue, which it's azul in Spanish. Okay? Azul. Can you say azul? Azul? Azul. Okay, I think we're going to have a lot of fun with this. Where are they going? They're putting each other? Wow. What about the other ones? So look at this, viewer. If you do this, the thing will go by itself. Yay! Isn't that great? You just have to, and then it will go by itself. And if you do it to the back, it will go by itself to the back. That's great. Now let's hit the green one, el verde. Yay! Yoo-hoo! coming here to collect the trash.
It's stuck in there.
It's stuck in there. I'm coming to get the trash, Manu. Where's your trash? Yeah, where are you going? I'm going to fix the electricity problem that you have over here. Do you have any problems? Oh, yeah. Come on. Let's go. Where is this one going? He's going to fix the problem? Come on, he's going to fix the electric problems. Yee, that's too fast. Come on, what are you doing? Are you going to put it inside the box? You can't do that.
It's still in.
Okay, so we have over here Ryder. And Ryder can be the electricity guy. He's going to fix the electricity. Can you make him go up, Manu? Make him go up. No, you make him go down, not down, up. Come on. We want him to go up so he can fix the problem. Yeah, good job. No, that's down. Up. Arriba. Up. Yeah, he's going up. Yep. I'm going to fix the problem. Don't worry. I'm right here. And I'm going to work with Manu. He's going to work with you. Okay, Manu? Thanks for watching. Say bye-bye, Manu. Manu, say adios.
Bye-bye.
Now say adios. Say adios. Adios. If you like this video, subscribe.